Hi, welcome to the channel. On this channel, I describe ways on how to make money online and make money with software and things similar to that. And if you like that kind of content, please subscribe to this channel. And this video is going to be about how to drive traffic to your website. And I'm sure that you want to drive 1 trillion people to your website. Well, I don't think I can help you with that, but I want to be able to at least point you in the right direction in this video to, get at least more people to your website. And so I'm going to go into 2 techniques on how to do that. The 2 techniques will be 1, getting traffic through paid advertisement, and 2, getting traffic through free organic traffic methods. Make sure you watch to the very end because I have several awesome tips for you today on how to drive traffic to your website. I also have a link to a free book in the description. Please make sure to check that out and let's do this. So the first method I'm going to go over is through paid advertisements, and I'm going to start with Google Ads. So the first one I'm going to go over is Google Ads. So to go to the Google Ads site, you would go to ads.google.com/home. And with Google Ads, you can put in the keywords you want to target for your advertisement. And also there's a daily budget that you can put in, and it will advertise on the Google platform. And the next one I'm going to go over is YouTube ads. And to go to the YouTube advertising website, you would go to youtube.com/ads. And it's very similar to the Google ads. You can set up a daily budget, and this time the advertisements are set in front of videos, and of course it's on the YouTube platform. And the next thing I'll go over is Facebook ads. To go to the Facebook ads platform website, you would go to www.facebook.com/business/marketing/Facebook. And with the Facebook ads, they'll appear in a user's feed while they're scrolling. And like the other platforms, you can choose a daily budget to regulate your ads. And the next thing I'm going to go over is solo ads with Udimi. And what this is you can do solo ads. So if you don't know what a solo ad is, a solo ad is basically a ad that you tell a person with a big email list to email their list with your advertisement, and that's a fast way to get traffic. And so that's what Udemy allows on their platform, is for you to select people with already built email lists where they can send your advertisement to their list. To get to Udemy, you would just have to go to udemy.com. There's no forward slashes or anything. And of course, also I'll include each link to each paid advertisement technique in the description below. And next, I'll go over various methods on how to drive organic free traffic to your website. Now I want to talk about how you can get free traffic organically. And the first thing I want to talk about is blogging. So with blogging, what you do is you write valuable blog posts related to your niche, and then Also, you have to choose strong keywords to get meaningful traffic to your blog, because what you want to do is have these pages rank on Google, and preferably being ranked on the first page is excellent and will get you much traffic. So, a strong keyword is a keyword that many people are typing into Google each month, and the less competition a keyword is, the easier it will be to rank for on the front page. And so, a high keyword competition means that there are many other sites using the same keyword in their content. In order to find good ideas on how to choose strong keywords, I would use a keyword research tool. There's one that I like to use called Ubersuggest. It's really good. And to get to Ubersuggest, you would go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. And what you would do is type in the keyword that you want to look up, such as I put here, make money online. And so what you want to do is you want to find keywords that have a high volume and a low competition, such as the green is pretty good where it has less competition. And you want to find keywords with decent volume, and with this kind of thing, it will be easier to rank for on your website. In much the same way you would make quality content for your blog, you would also make quality content for your social media. You can make Facebook posts, and you can do videos on YouTube. You can do Instagram posts. You can do Pinterest posts. All of it is similar. Just make sure that it is high quality post that will provide value to your audience, and you will eventually see your traffic build more and more as you reference your website to these valuable pieces of content that you make on your social media. One thing that will make things easier as you're building your content is making sure that your niche is something that you really enjoy. And when you really enjoy it, it will not seem like as much work. In addition to making quality content, I would suggest to center your themes and titles around strong keywords as well, so that more people can discover your content also on social media. And the next thing I want to go over is you can use an email list to also drive traffic to your website, such as you can collect people's emails through a contact form that you put on your site. And one way you can convince people to put in their email is you can give them something for free, such as info, training, software, cheat sheets, books, etc., for putting in their email address. And then once you have their email address, you can keep your site at the top of their mind by sending them different emails about what's going on with your site. Or if you have promotions for products that you want to sell, you can continue to market your list. And you can also provide valuable posts through email to keep people engaged with your site. And one other way that you can drive traffic to your website is through word of mouth, such as you can also use business cards to help you out with that. So you can strike up a conversation with the person next to you at the DMV, and you can slip them a business card when appropriate, or you can do the same thing at a coffee shop. Or if you even have maybe a close relationship or association with a store owner who would be willing to put your business cards at the front of their cash register, or someplace in their store where people can take one. And there you have it, folks. This video has been about how to drive traffic to your website. I hope you liked the content, and please comment below asking me any questions you may have or anything that you would like to say about the content. I would like to hear from you. Thanks. I've included a link to a free book for you in the description on secrets from the experts on how you can get massive traffic to your website. So please check that out below. And if you like content like this, please like this video, hit the bell notification button, and subscribe. See ya in the next video. Bye.